Well, how the hell would they put it? The recession of the 80s, they survived it. Really? How do we survive it? That's when it started coming back. What started the recessions in the beginning of the 80s?
Yeah.
Don't do history on me. See, that's why I don't like political crap.
Yeah.
Especially public crap like that.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Anyway, oh, you ain't recording me, are you?
Yeah, pretty much.
This is gonna be funny. You might need to put this on YouTube. Y'all get probably 1,000 likes in an hour. I ain't even got started yet.
So when did this restaurant open?
1947.
Was that at this location?
No, it's in the location over
Building
next
over there.
door.
Okay. All right.
It seated 25 people at the time. And I waited on tables. And I was in the 5th grade. No, I did start in the 5th grade. That's the truth. We had speakers outside, and I ran the switchboard. But I waited on tables later.
So how do y'all feel about it closing? I'm sure it's
Very
sad.
depressed, very sad. To a degree, feel like a failure. To a degree.
I ain't no failure.
You're not a failure.
I just don't want to do. I just don't want to close, but I don't have any choice, and don't feel like being here